to gain knowledge, study to gain wisdom, observe. Becoming an expert in what you love is easier than you think. No special talent needed. Just do it consistently until it becomes part of who you are. Learn how in this final episode of Season 4, 21 Ways to Empower Yourself on Self-Esteem Now. I'm Rocio Santibanez and welcome. Anyone can become an expert by closely observing what interests them. Observing means looking with attention. Looking isn't the same as observing. When you observe something, you become part of it. A woman once told me, "My husband cheated for 10 years and I never noticed." I asked her, "Where was your attention? What kept you so busy that you missed the signs of infidelity?" We agree if she'd watched her partner closely, she'd have noticed the changes in an unfaithful person's behavior. Think about it. If we all used this innate ability, we wouldn't have financial problems. By observing carefully, we'd see which businesses succeed and which don't. We'd learn from those who thrive in business, relationships, and health. We'd also recognize harmful or impoverishing behaviors by observing those who experience them. Consider this. Observation is a powerful tool that can make us exceptional. Observing uses all senses and mental faculties like reasoning, focus, intuition, and perception. Stop more often. Slow down. Look around you. Notice what needs your attention, what should be seen and heard, what life and people are telling you through their actions, through experiences and all forms of expression. Be open to learning from your surroundings, experiences, and relationships. Trust me, this is the best way to gain self-knowledge. Define your intentions clearly. Be specific about what you want to explore, learn, or improve. For instance, to improve your diet, observe what you eat, how you feel, what causes inflammation, what makes you feel good or bad, what energizes or drains you, and what's your main motivation. Hunger, boredom, anxiety. Or maybe you want to manage your time better. Start by observing what you do most often, what distracts you, where your hours go, and what your main daily routines are. I assure you, when you realize this and become aware, you're instantly empowered to make changes. Look carefully, but also use all your senses. If you truly observe someone speaking, you'll catch messages not just in their words, but in their posture, gaze, and tone of voice. The art of observing involves being aware of all the filters you use to perceive things. Often, our past experiences, beliefs, conditioning, fears, and habits prevent us from seeing things as they truly are. In fact, I love this phrase. You don't see the world as it is, you see it as you are. It's crucial that we eliminate distractions. Find moments to disconnect from your phone or computer throughout your day to give yourself time to observe. Record and analyze. It's important to question your observations. Look at things far beyond their physical appearance. Go further. Peek behind the curtain. You'll find that being observant also makes you stronger. Boost your memory. When you focus fully on something in the present, you'll retain information much more easily. By becoming observant, we rediscover our sense of wonder. This wonder, involving emotions and values, is an intellectual challenge. A curious outlook enriches life, strengthens relationships, and increases self awareness, saving you from many problems and negative experiences. Think about it. If you were highly observant, how many relationships would you have avoided knowing from the start there was no happiness there? Being observant puts you above average, making you stand out from others. Rest assured, if they had to choose among several people, they'd pick you for your keen observation skills. If observing others' behavior was already a habit for you, especially those you care about, you'd notice when something's off before it leads to negative experiences. You'd spot issues before their behavior causes negative outcomes. We often complain that we're not the way we should be or want to be. We say things like, I can't exercise, I'm not a reader, I don't like veggies or fruits, I can't drink water, it grosses me out. So I ask you, are you really willing to pay the price of doing things that harm you every single day? Have you ever stopped to think about this? How much of what you do daily is actually harmful to you? And how much of what you do throughout your day is beneficial? This reflects your daily life, your money, weight, health, and relationships. This season, we explored 21 habits that empower you. They don't just make you feel powerful, they give you real self confidence. However, you must commit to changing your behaviors until they become habits, until they feel natural and effortless, and ensure these habits aren't random or imposed by others, but ones you've consciously chosen and committed to repeat over and over until they become a natural part of you. They should feel like second nature. Even if you implement just one of these 21 habits, I guarantee your life will improve. See you next season.